Hello. Wow. What animal is this? Whoa. Wow, this is a lion. Wow. And this is the sound of lion. Oh. Yeah. Wow, look at that. So many animals. Yeah. Oh, many animals here. Oh, let's check one by one. Ooh. What is this? This is a zebra. Yeah. Zebra. Nice. Yeah. Oh, what is this one? This is a giraffe. Whoa, cool. Yeah. Whoa, what is this? What animal is this name? This is buffalo. Cool. Buffalo, yeah. Whoa, this one is elephant. Elephant. Whoa, cool. Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. A cow. Oh, nice cow. Yeah. Woo. Yes. Wow. What is this? What animal is this? Oh, this is bear. Yeah. A bear. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, whoa. Cute animal. Hello. Name is Panda. Nice Panda. Yeah. Wow. Oh, what is this name? This is a hippo or rhino? Wow. Wow. Cool. Wow. Wadidaw. Awesome. Wow, this one. Oh, tiger. Wow. This is, the name is tiger. Wow. Still we have two again. Wow. This is a horse. Whoa, horse. Nice. Okay. This one is a sheep. Nice sheep. Oh, look at many animals today. Okay. Oh, so many animals. Okay. Tomorrow we'll find again a different animal. Okay, thank you for watching today. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.